Hello everyone. I recently visited Dr. Mona Swami on recommendation of my friend Ellen. Actually, my face skin is getting dry day by day and I started looking dull in summer. So I decided to take a Hydra Boost facial from Dr. Mona Swami. It is very easy and comfortable process. You just have to book an appointment a day prior, then visit the clinic on your booking day and time. The first thing is you have to fill the registration form and then the staff will help you further. I would say clinic staff is so humble and supportive throughout the treatment. So the Hydra Boost facial starts with Hydra derma abrasion, deep cleansing with medicated cleanser and serums. The second step is ultrasonic scrubbers for removing clogged pores and sebum. The third step is radiofrequency with serum infusion, which helps in skin tightening as well as collagen boosting. The fourth step is ultrasonic facelift. And the last step is photodynamic therapy for skin healing and repairing. Finally, my skin feeling so fresh and hydrated. If you also want to pamper your skin, do connect with Dr. Mona Swami and see the best results. Thank you.